Okay, so here's a sum and difference of cubes. So I first did the sum. The difference is not that different. So my question here is going to be x cubed plus 27, and it's going to say factor this. Now notice that there's two things, so we can't do the regular factoring like what multiplies to c and adds to b. So what we can do is follow this equation up here. I want to do step one, which is identify what a is and what b is. So a cubed is the same as x cubed. So a is probably the same as x. Well, b cubed is the same as 27. So I want to know what's the cube root of 27. So what number times itself 3 times give you 27? Well, that's 3 times 3 times 3 gives you 27. So b is 3. After identifying a and b, it's very, very easy. So we're going to set, and I'm going to rewrite it like this, x cubed plus 27 equals, and we're just going to follow the equation up there. We already found what a is, and we already found what b is, so it's just plugging it in. X plus, my b is 3. A squared, my a squared, so that is x squared, minus, now what is a times b? Well, x times 3 is the same thing as 3x, so I'm going to write 3x here, plus, here's b squared. Now I know b is 3, so b squared should be 3 squared, which is actually 9. So I'm going to write 9. Now what's very good about the difference in sum of squares is that at this point, you're done. This, on the right, this trinomial, is never factorable. And you just have to trust my word on that. It's just never factorable. So at this point, you are done. Circle it, box it, check it off. For the difference of cubes, the equation is very slightly different. So here's the difference between difference of cubes. The first thing is that it's going to be a minus b. So I'll point that in blue. So that's different. And the second thing is that this is going to be plus ab. Those are the two differences between the minus one and the additional, between the sum and the difference. So basically you're remembering one equation with two different mixes to it. So don't get worried about this one. This should be 3 points for you guys. The hardest part is sometimes identifying what A and B is. So because you see 27 and you might not realize right away that that's a perfect cube. But notice if I only give you 2 terms, like in this question here, if I only give you 2 terms, like in this question here, and you see one is x cubed, that should be a big hint to you that I'm asking for a difference of cubes. All right, good luck on the test Fridays. I'm here during lunch on Thursday, and if you want to catch me in the morning, please email me. I'll be available at 8:40, after you daven. You cannot go to me until you daven. Thank you guys, and good luck.